Good day everyone, my name is Ian Percival C. Reyes, and in this video I will criticize one of the works of Carlos Francisco. To start off, who is Carlos Francisco? Carlos Francisco, who is commonly known as Botong, is a famous muralist and painter in the Philippines, and well known for his colorful interpretation of Philippine history and culture. Botong's distinctive style of using modernity and folk images with Filipino folklore frequently portrayed the hardships and victories of the Filipino people. And in 1973, he received recognition for his contributions to the Philippine visual arts by being declared a National Artist of the Philippines.
And to continue this video, we will analyze one of his most famous murals, which is called Bayanihan. And this mural aims to portray Filipino unity and identity through a central character called the Bayani, and a lively group of supporting characters. One of the most noticeable structures of this mural is the Bahay Kubo. A Bahay Kubo is a house that is built with kawayan and nipagras, and is commonly known in the Philippines. We can also notice the Bayani is the man who is wearing a white shirt and red trousers, and is reminiscent of Andres Bonifacio, and the choice of clothing symbolizes leadership. We can also notice in this mural the supporting characters that represents farmers, fishermen, a gobernadorcillo, and even a tulisan or outlaw who resembles Elias from Rizal's Noli Me Tangere. We can also see various characters like a mother holding a child, a man riding a carabao, a man that is hooking the papaya tree, a child that is holding a panabong na manok, and helping the other two in carrying the toys like songkak, which is one of the most famous toys in the Philippines back in the day. Overall, this mural represents the tradition of Filipinos when it comes to working together as a community. And Carlos Francisco, or commonly known as Botong, does a commendable job in resembling it through art. And I'm sure this art will remain forever and will be passed on to future generations.